Who? Me? Anyway, okay, as I was saying, we have to prove similarity in one of two ways. Either that all three angles are equal to the other three angles, of jy bewys sy evenredig aan mekaar, né? So sy op sy is gelyk aan sy op sy is gelyk aan sy op sy. Now, if we go the root of the angles, we only have one set of angles that we can prove equal to one another. Do you guys agree? Yes. Né? Ja, want die is gemeen. Ons het nie verder enige parallelle lyne nie. We don't have that it is in a circle. You can't use any of that. It's not a parallelogram, so you can't use the characteristics of a parallelogram. So we can't use the angles root. We have to use the other root, which says that if I can prove that the sides are proportional to one another, then I prove that these triangles are similar. So I'm going to say in let's first do DE. Yeah. Where did you guys start? I need to find the size of DE first. So I'm going to say I know that EC over BD is equal to 3 over 8. Daar's nie 'n meetkundige rede daarvoor nie. Hulle het dit vir my gegee. Nee, do you guys agree? They told me that the relationship of EC to BD is 3 over 8. Okay. So then I can calculate EC. You guys have that? You didn't what? Okay. Let me mark it and then you can tell me what you did. Okay? And then they also gave us that ED over BC, daai verhouding is 5 op 4. Nou ek het genoeg inligting om dan vir ED te gaan uitwerk. Mooi. En nou kan ek sê in driehoek ABD hierdie. Jy kan dit in 2 stappe doen, maar jy moet iets vir my wys. Okay? So jy kan eintlik net daai stukkie doen. So geskryf het. Ja, dis reg. As jy hom so neergeskryf het, is dit ook reg. Van wat? Ek kan niks van hom sê nie, want ek glo daarom jy weet dat 7 plus 25 is 32. Nee! Jy kry nie punte vir 'n graad 2 bewerking nie. Jo. Okay, those are the two triangles that I have to prove similar. So now, remember to pair them up. The longest one over the longest one, the medium one over the medium one, the shortest one over the shortest one. So die langste een in die groot driehoek is 40. Die langste een in die klein driehoek is 25. Wait, let me just write down their names as well. BD over ED is 40 over 25, which simplifies to 8 over 5. Dan die medium lengte is hierdie 32 waarvoor Johan 'n punt soek. Maar nie gaan kry nie. AD op CD is 32 op 20, wat ook vereenvoudig na 8 op 5 toe. Now remember, if we were working with the angles that we were proving, you only had to do 2 and then the third one is implied. Né? Met hoeke van 'n driehoek, maar in hierdie geval moet jy almal doen. So then the shortest side is AB Is julle alright? What's wrong? Oh my word! Ek kan nie jou punt gee vir me. That's what Ruan wants he wants a mark for that he knows that 7 plus 25 is 32. Okay. Good. Okay. Safe. Onthou jy kan nie hier neerskryf sy nie, né? Because side is a reason for congruency, which is not the same as similarity, but it is similar. Julle is flou. Okay, 3.2. Wag, eers gou daar, almal van julle reg. Everyone happy with that? All of those values were given to you. You can write given. Okay. Is dit 3.2 waarmee julle gesukkel het? Ja? Yeah? Easy one. Okay. 3.2 asks you to prove that A, B, C, D is a cyclic quad. Hierdie ene. Hoe kan ons bewys dat iets 'n kwadefierhoek is? Daar's 3 verskillende maniere, né? The one is the strict Tassie one, which we don't have anything that looks like a bow tie there at all. So we're definitely not using that one. The other two are sort of partners. You can either prove that the opposite angles are supplementary, né? Dat is dit omgekeerde oor teenoorstaande hoeke van 'n kwadefierhoek. Of jy kan wys dat die buitehoek gelyk is aan die teenoorstaande binnehoek, which would be converse exterior angles of cyclic quad. Okay. So that's the one that we're going to use here, actually. Yes, the exterior angle. Because you can do this in 2 steps, but it's easier to just do it in one. Okay. So we have proven from congruency, no, not congruency, similarity, that angle B is equal to angle C. Nee man. Stop it. Okay. Hoekom weet ek dit? Want onthou die volgorde waarin hulle staan is belangrik. So this one, let me just get them right. A goes with C. B goes with E. And well, D goes with D. What shall we make here? An X. Okay. So met ander woorde sien julle soos wat ek hom daar geskryf het. Well, you could have used this one as well. Jou dede gaan dieselfde wees. Dit maak nie saak wat jy gebruik het nie, né? Stem julle saam jy kon enigiets van daai twee gebruik het? No. D isn't, it's not in the thing that we want to prove is a cyclic quad. Okay, maak nie saak wat jy gebruik het nie, dan kan jy sê omdat daai waar is ABCE 'n kwadefierhoek, mooi. And your reason is converse omgekeerde buitehoek van kwadefierhoek. is converse. Yes, converse Pythagoras is a thing for when you're proving that an angle is 90 degrees. Did you use that? Long part. It would have worked. It would have worked. So, Muna? Well, okay. But you could use it here. Did you use it here, but? Okay, so wat Herbert gedoen het net om vir julle vinnig te wys is hy het bewys dat daai kwadraat is gelyk aan daai ene plus daai ene kwadraat. En omdat dit waar is, beteken dit daai moet 'n 90 grade hoek wees, converse of Pythagoras. And then he did the same in the big triangle, where 40 squared will be equal to 32 squared plus 24 squared. But ek gaan nou maar kom kyk of jy nou reg geskryf is. And then those two angles are equal to one another, but your reason would be the same unless you used angles on a straight line. Then your reason will be converse opposite angles of cyclic quad. Either way. So you're not wrong. You're just late. Because we're already busy with 3.3. Where have you been, Herbert? True. Okay. 3.3 sê vir jou bewys dat driehoek ABD 'n reghoekige driehoek is. Okay. So you pick the longest side, want onthou Pythagoras sê die twee korter sye se som van kwadrate is gelyk aan die langste sy se som van kwadrate. So you say no. No. Maak net hier mooi seker van hoe jy dit skryf. BD kwadraat is gelyk aan 40 kwadraat is gelyk aan 1600, is that right? Okay. And then you say AD squared plus AB squared is equal to 24 squared plus, wat is hierdie sy se lengte, Roan? Hoe sal mens weet? Again. Okay? Nee. Jy mag dit nie in een stap geskryf het nie, want dan neem jy aan hy het 'n 90 grade hoek. You are not allowed to start this one off by writing AD squared is equal to sorry, I didn't say it right, but I wrote it right. You cannot start this one off by writing that down, because then you are assuming a 90-degree angle, and you have to prove a 90-degree angle. So jy moet skryf dit, en dan kan jy sê, dit wil sê die linkerkant is gelyk aan die regterkant. And because the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, that means that which two will be perpendicular? It's actually angle A that's 90 degrees, nee? Onthou dis altyd die een oor kan die langste sy wat die 90 grade hoek is. Always the one opposite the longest side. That is the 90-degree angle, the hypotenuse. Hannes het weg. Wat het jy? Waarmee is jy besig? Laat hy maar net pap raak. Okay.